Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in Oukitel C33. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and here try to find any game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's an icon for the game, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, go to the settings, enter family, then parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch, or switch to apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and then when we go back and look for the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.